What's going on, guys? Rejoice in the Lord, give thanks. With righteousness, give thanks to ye of his holiness. Take on, feel the Spirit, be and feel rejoiced. I own a 1987 IROC-Z L1 6.2 supercharged engine. It is definitely coming soon. You know, things have to be put on pause, put on wait, but it is still happening. The LS area is still coming in here. It's going to live up to the name of IROC-Z L1. It's going to be just more than the rotors. The 6.0 will be in here, and I will rebuild the 6.2. And then once that's ready, then I will take this out and I will put the 6.2 in here. And also in a 2000 Mustang, it's going to be a Terminator Snake. Now that project also is pretty soon about to launch, and then you will see this slowly be put in the back burner, and the Mustang's time to shine. I hope you guys liked that last episode, because this episode is something different. Alright guys, enough jibber jabber. Time for a cold start. Still, which means I still gotta fix the timing. It was a misfire. That explains it. What you hear is not knocking. It is not pinging, and there's no lifter knob. And then the rotation mass, when it comes up, it's already exploding before it pops up. It's pre-detonation. What you're hearing is that the explosion that happens in the cylinder that makes the combustion, and it's already pre-detonating before it gets there. So we gotta fix the timing just a little bit more, and then we'll see. It's likely we'll be doing another cold start later on. That's not what this video is about. It will be in this video of me fixing it, but the main thing is back here. Now I'm taking my time with this. What am I doing? First, what's going on with that? Come on. Sorry, my camera appears it's broken. But anyway, what are we talking about? I already assembled this the way that I wanted. I did this on camera earlier. I cut this part off. I cut this part off right here because it was like that. But I cut that part in half, this part in half. Seen this last video. And there's little bolts that's right there. I drilled two more because how I want to do this and bring it closer to the steering wheel and have them to come on right here. And I kind of like it there, so I can flick it up and then flick it down if I want to. As far as the start stop, I want it right here. Flick it open, hit the start the car, do that, have it running, turn on my lights still right there. What this video is we're gonna wire this all up. Power from there, and I'm gonna put it in here. So now I have time in the morning to actually do stuff. So the idea how I want to have these wires running is coming up here. There's a little hole where I can run things through up here and run it out this way. So I would hook them up, have them run out this way, and then like have them run down and then out. I'm gonna wire it up in the same way, and don't forget we still got fire extinguishers just in case. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, as well as figuring out why the hell is my timing still off after all of this. That last video, I mean, it's a lot better than what it was. You're hearing pre-detonation. Yeah. So hopefully next video should be about the drive shaft. Gotta do the drive shaft, clutch line, and the brake lines, and then we can drive. The end of stage 3 is very close. Gotta hit stage 4. 4 I think will be the longest process. Stage 1 was like the introduction. Stage 2, we had finished. Click up the link above. What stops a leaf car build. The video before that is pretty much the end of stage 2. Stage 3 was the startup video. That was stage 3. We're almost at the end of stage 3. Nothing compared as long as what stage 4 is going to be. 4 is going to be pretty interesting. I'm telling you, it's going to be pretty interesting. Yeah. This will be welded. Let's just get to some action. Alright guys. Wrong hand. Yeah guys, and sorry for the shake cam. My stabilization on the video was not on there. Stabilization on, and now I should be good. And I can't wait till I get this welded. Try to make it look neat. I have that on there, tight and secure. Alright guys, so how I have it. These two are the grounds. The 12-volt source, this is where power is coming in. You flick that switch that's underneath of there, transports the power from here and loops around and comes back to here. You need power to start this, which then the 12-volt constant goes into this one and this one. I have them both connected to this one, and the red and yellow goes there for the push button start. The power is coming from where the power is coming from here to even turn it on. Have it on to a relay, which it goes down here. This will be another ground. I was thinking about putting them together, but I was like, no, I want to be safe. If anything goes wrong, first it has the kill switch that you've seen in the video. Click the link up. Click the link towards me because I'm looking down. So click the link towards me. I have a fuse, so if something goes wrong, the fuse will blow. And if that fuse doesn't blow, the relay will blow. Really, have it set real safe. Alright, so as you can see, it's nighttime. Recap tomorrow. I disconnected all the ones up here, capped them off up here, because now I have them running up this way, going behind the dash up here. Push button start. This one goes through the starter up here. As seen in the video, you can run the ignition. I can run that right there. I want to put electrical and thermal tape on all of this. It can take the electrical, it can take the heat, the temperature. That's why I use this tape. Any other tape, don't use because it'll make a fire. But this electrical and thermal tape, use it. It's a thick layer. It's really good, but it's really expensive. I gotta trace these wires because I got a little confused. So which one is for the starter and which one is for the ignition? I can connect one there and connect one in here up. And then, not to mention, cap those off and try to start it. But that would be for tomorrow. Now it is a little bit late and I can't see of me tracing those wires. I'm going to cap back with you tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to recap with you guys tomorrow regarding Dragon. So, see you tomorrow, guys. And then the cold start for the test. What's going on, guys? This will be next morning. As you see, I gotta trace those wires. I'm sorry, my camera's messing up. It's almost time for a new camera. My camera's starting to go, so what I need to do is trace the wires that's over here so I can figure out which one goes to the ignition, the starter, and then we'll figure out what goes from there. Do that real quick. Alright. button start. Now I gotta work on the timing still. Push button start is good. And if you want to, all you gotta do is this. Kills the car. For good. Yeah, so yeah, it's smoking. That might be the next video of how to cover that up. I'm working on something. It's good now. Push button start is wired. After 6 hours. 6 hours. Let me get started. Okay. Just for 2 setups. Once I finally got it out, it was great. It was easy. But doing the whole process of figuring out was I switched these wires like 17,000 different times. I was getting things as soon as I attached the battery to crank, you know, like I was getting a whole bunch of stuff. I wasn't recording because if I was going to record, it would have been maybe a good 2-hour video. It's just being nice. That's after some serious hardcore editing. I gotta figure out what that is because that noise is starting to become a lot louder. Oh, it's changed, and I don't know why I keep hearing. If worse comes to worse, I'm gonna have to take the heads off. But if I'm gonna take the heads off, if I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna start stage 4. And if I gotta take all that apart. If I gotta take off the heads, then I'm gonna start stage 4. Which will eliminate that, which it'll completely eliminate that anyway. And also, I got just the time again. What you do here is, you turn it up, you flick it up, which then turns your ignition on, and then hits the start. So my car is officially now push button start. Put this in a certain way that I want to run it, because I'm also going to put this here as well. There we go. Turn this on, make a screw hole here, a screw hole. I can wire this to the thing to finish all taping these wires, make everything look neat. I'll do all that stuff off camera. Next video, you'll see everything crisp and clean. Turn that on, you flick the switch, then you hit the push button start, and then it'll start. You stop the car, you just hit it like that. Plus, not that, I got this as well. That'll also, this fuse here, that'll kill the car. I tried it with the relay, right? And it didn't turn on. For some reason with the relay, it does not work with the relay. I don't know why, but it does not work for the relay. Like I said, the tape that I use is electrical and thermal. Where is it here? It's Scotch. You can read that. That's the tape that I use. Yeah, 20, yeah. Work. Don't know why. I don't know what that loud noise is. But like I said, if I gotta take the heads off, I'm starting stage 4. Yeah. And not to mention, now my camera is messed up. I don't have the option to run 4K anymore. Even though it was doing loud noises up here, but I heard back here the exhaust, it was loud. It was not as okay as it was when the beginning of the video, but the exhaust was indeed loud. Like I said, the exhaust is loud though, even though it doesn't sound great right now, really, but the exhaust is loud. And so with that being said, give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all the links are down below. I didn't think this video would take this long. But yeah, all the links are down below. I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. You won't believe how, you just don't know how many times. You don't know. Sorry, my camera's doing that thing where it slides off and it cuts off recording. I need a whole new phone. Anyway, guys. If you like this video, like I said, give it a big thumbs up. All my social media is down in the description below. Be sure to follow God. Without God, none of this stuff is even possible, guys. So take care. Keep it T, Z, all the way to the end. Take care and have a great day, guys. Boom! By the way, fix the timing.